All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are going to look at Prime. So Prime had a nice little move here from the low. You can see that it's getting stuck right at the 382 at 154. Had a wick almost up to the point 0.5 at 167. So if this thing does continue to move higher from where you are right now and that candle turns green, if you can get over 154, the point 0.5 at 167 for about a 9% move will be next. And then, of course, the 618 here to the upside at 180 for about almost a 19% move up on Prime. So if this thing does turn around and this is not your top, I'll look for these couple of resistance levels to the upside. I would say on the more macro scale, if Prime can get up here to the 618 at $1.80 and get over that, it will get extremely bullish for a push higher. But right now it's still bullish, but if this is your top off of this nasty wick here, what to watch for on the downside, you can see your 200-day moving average is about a 4% drop. If you could end up holding that 146 level, you're still extremely bullish on Prime here. You can see the red box that I drew on the chart here all the way down to about $1.35. So if you potentially drop about 11%, as long as you hold this 135 up to 140, as long as you hold this box for support, you're still bullish. You're still alive here. This is actually from the low to the high here. The 200-day moving average is your 382 retracement, and this 135 down here where these candles stopped is actually your 618 retracement from the low to the high there. So as long as if you can come all the way back down here, hold the box, you're still considered bullish for a push higher at some point. Like I said, if we come down to the 382 at the 200-day moving average and hold that, we're extremely bullish, and you're probably going to get something like this, and it's going to take off again. So just watch those prices to the downside on Prime. It does look toppy right now. It looks like your top is in with this nasty wick here. So I would watch these prices to the downside and ultimately 135. You lose 135, more likely than not, you're coming back down here to the bottom for all this that you did back here. You'll just continue to consolidate down here at these low prices, which could be good. I was going to say good Prime buying opportunities, but it could be good opportunities to buy Prime. I know nothing really about the project. I would imagine if you're watching this update, you know way more than I do. But yeah, I mean, if it loses these prices, dollar cost average in back down here at the low, and at some point I would imagine it goes back up in the next bull run. But as of now, just watch these prices here. As long as you hold your 200-day moving average, you're probably going to have another green candle spawn in and start going back up. And like I said, over $1.80, there's a potential for this thing to start going to the moon on Prime here. But other than that, everything else on the chart, Heikin-Ashi candles, it's trending up, no shadows. The MACD, the RSI, everything is up. The momentum is up right now. So I would just watch the prices to the downside. It's got momentum. It's got the trend. And just watch the 200-day moving average. If you can hold this 146 level, you're still extremely bullish on Prime. And if you break over 154, you're going to have some nice green candles start to spawn in again. So we will leave it at that on Prime. Hopefully that helped a little bit. And with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.